So today in the morning, it's very amazing to see how is the weather. Yesterday I made a series 24 April, and people of the Lahore witnessed something amazing afternoon. Suddenly the Lahore was filled up with the sky, with the clouds. How is it was possible? Because Allah is a real God. And at the night I made another series, the Moon God. And Allah demonstrated how He can hide the moon and how He can display the moon. Suddenly, so where were all the fabricated false gods of non-Muslims yesterday? Why they could not stop Allah from doing whatever He wanted to do when I was trying to create the series? I was recording the videos, I was claiming something, and it was happening in the universe. It was happening in the sky, in the clouds, in the air, in the winds, in the sun. How I was saying something on the earth and how it was happening in the natural system of the universe. While I am standing on the earth, I am not on Mars like Elon Musk trying to go. So, why it happened? Because you non Muslims invented fabricated gods. Your clever religious leaders fooled you. And I worship Allah, the creator of sun, the creator of moon, the creator of clouds. By the way, go and check the sun. What happened with him yesterday? Okay? Wow, amazing morning today. Good environment, very beautiful environment. I experienced a very good cold night. By the way, why these clouds have not gone away from today? Very beautiful. Come. Allahu Akbar. Wow, beautiful. You non-Muslims, your fake gods do not make these clouds. My Allah create the clouds. I smell something. My Allah creates the clouds, and my Allah controls the sun. Why your fabricated gods could not stop me from doing my efforts yesterday when I was recording videos and Allah performed two miracles. Allah performs so many miracles every single day, but I'm specifically asking about the two events which I made two series for. Lahore weather transformation of Lahore, and the moon god. Tell me, don't you have any guts to compete against me? Where is your Christian Prince? Where is your David Wood? Where is your Richard Dawkins? Where is your Stephen Hawking? Where are all your science experts and your magicians? Allahu Akbar. You are so higher now. The sun is not giving me the heat like yesterday. Why? The sun is so higher now, it is not giving me any heat. Where is the heat of the sun? It was very hot yesterday. Right now, this sun is not giving even a single heat to me. Am I immune to sun? What happened to the sun? And what happened to the light? I'm getting the brightness, obviously, but I'm not getting the heat of the sun. Where is the heat of the sun? What happened? Go up, check the sun, consult with the sun. What happened to? Is there any effect of yesterday still on the sun? What happened with the sun? Is there any kind of effect still remaining on the sun when I did something yesterday? I don't know. This sun is obeying the command of Allah. He can increase or decrease the heat. Anyway, I will check the media news reports of yesterday afternoon, evening, night. I will also check media reports for today to see the difference in the weather. They will tell us. You also check. Because if you want to strive against Islam, you will be humiliated. And you can never, ever defeat me. Alhamdulillah, I am on earth and you are millions of miles away according to their scientists. Still, yet you have effect of yesterday. I can feel it. I can feel the beauty of the weather. No heat from the sun. Either I am immune to sun this moment, or either the sun heat has gone away. What's wrong? This is strange. This is a strange moment. Allahu Akbar. This is so strange moment. Allahu Akbar. What is the science behind this? Allahu Akbar. Go. Don't waste my time with your fabricated gods. My goodness. Has Allah decided something else for today?